Okay, quick start Apex coding for admins. Executing on these blocks. Let's go right ahead. Okay, launch. Alright, and execute an anonymous block. Yeah, click the setup and developer console. Okay, settings. Yes, settings developer console. Okay, in here, debug, open, execute anonymous window. Debug, open, execute anonymous window, and then okay, write this code. String temp is equal to and your name here. Enter system.debug. Hello world. No, system.debug. My name is plus temp4. Okay, enter your name. Don't read the surrounding conditions. Okay. Okay, replace it with my name. Test master. Click execute. Select debug only. The progress logs. Double click this and debug only. Hello world, my name is test master. Okay, it's working now. Create a custom object candidate, object manager, create custom object. Okay, label candidate, candidates, cast object name and record name. Candidate name, candidate, auto number, display format, auto number, start number 1. Okay, if you use because launch new question after saying this. Okay, click save. Okay, in here enter tabs. We are here. Choose next, save. Next, let's use bottle. Next, Perfect. Next, save. Okay, now we have to create fields. Click new text, first name, new. Okay, we are selecting text. Next, first name, length 50. Next, save and new. Next, next, save and new. The second field is last name, text 50. Next, last name, length 50. Next, you have to click next. Save and new. Okay, email. Next, save. Email. Next, email. Next, save. Okay, let's verify. So you can't find the expected name on the field. Make sure it's you can find the expected name on the field name. If it's candidate number, record name, candidate number. Okay, details. Here field number, candidate name. It's a candidate number, not candidate name. Let's edit candidate name. Edit candidate number. Save. Okay, let's verify again. Okay, congratulations. Take the next step. Here we are creating a file new Apex class. Click OK and refresh the code. Enter window with this code. Okay, let's file the Apex class and click OK. Settings, developer console again, and then new Apex class bank account. Okay, we have file new copy bank account. Apex class, enter the name of the class. Okay, public class, and then initial balance equal 0. Public string ACCT name. Okay, public string CCT type, and then public void make deposit integer deposit integer deposit balance equal to balance plus deposit. Okay, function for adding balance and function for getting balance. Integer get balance, return balance. Okay, file save, create a class named create contact from can. File, we're creating new class name contact from can. Okay, here public void create contact. Okay, file save, verified. Okay, next step, create an object. Okay, open here, debug, execute the new code. Blank is new bank account. chkacct dot acct cct type. Okay, that's what we are using. Checking. Okay, chkacct and t dot castillo chk chkacct dot make deposit 150 system dot debug balance, execute. Okay, select debug only, seeing 150 rupees, close it, verify. Okay, let's go to the next step. You have create a list of the execute non-elements and place existing code with this code. Okay, let's debug, open, execute. New account, checking this here, make deposit. Okay, creating another account. Save. Let's copy this, put it here, save account. Then instead of checking, you're creating savings and solve. 220 list. Bank account. New list. Bank creating empty list. Okay, then system dot debug bank account list has dot size plus bank account. Bank account. Okay. Bank accessibility dot add adding the two accounts. The unnecessary things. Okay. Open logs. Execute. Okay. Let's go to debug only. So the bank account list has 0 bank. The bank account has 2 bank accounts now, and here is the list. King balance. This is the bank account. Great. And now we have to update the create contact class. Now we have read about the list. Candidate. Okay. Candidates from trigger. You can from trigger. And just creating a list for contact. List new contact. Create the new create contact. Can contacts from new list. File save. Let's verify. Let's go to the next step. Adjust the loop. Okay. Let's go back. Debug. Open execute. We have this. Now let's create a loop at the end. Bank account temp. Bank ICCTS. And here start debug name plus is temp setting the type plus account with a balance of again temp dot get balance. Okay, now execute. Click debug only. Okay, now we have two accounts. Is a checking account with a balance and is a savings account with a balance of this. Okay, great. Now you know how for loops works. Now let's modify this function. Create contact from candidate module. Create contact list. List contact con list. Okay, public for current candidate. Keep the name safe. Candidates from trigger. Okay, let's save. Okay, verify. Okay, let's go to the next step. HTML to save objects. Okay, let's go back. Debug, execute. Okay, let's remove all of this. Create a new account. Okay, account. New account. Name. Recruiting. Okay. Then save it in subdc dot insert system dot debug account named was added. Okay, let's execute. Click debug. A new account named recruiting was added. Okay, it's successful. Now let's make modification to this. A list of candidates. Then there is a list of contact. Okay, for contact, con list dot add new contact. We are adding. Okay, first name is equal to current candidate. Okay, and then last name, current candidate. Yes, this is the field. Email. Then dot. Yes, select the email. Okay. So this. Then let's add here this and save it in the database. Database dot insert con list. Okay, con list here, and click and save. It is saved now. Let's verify. Okay, now we have to create a SQL to return data to the Apex. So if you go down here, we have to create a query. So let's click file, open resource, account object, and then open it. So if you can go here, I already have it opened. This is the developer console here. This is what we call. Let me lower it down and let me select. Okay, we have to go to file, open resource. In here we have to select account object here, this one. If you click on it and on the bottom or right, click on open, you can see the Apex type, the name, and what is the type of this is the API names. Select ID and account. Okay, so we have to select ID, press hold control on Windows, ID and name. Okay, and then we have to click query, ID and name, and on the bottom you can see query. Click here, 1 second, select multiple fields and click query. Here we can select just here, and okay, workspace run. Oh, okay, got it, click here, hold your control button and CMD on Mac, and then click here. After that you can click on the query button here on the bottom. Okay, here it is. Okay, click query again. If the query data display instructions for building a query, click query again. Okay, we have to click it again. So at the end we can type like this, space, let's type where name is equal recruiting or recruiting. Okay, here it is. We have to make sure it is written just like this. Here let's click on execute here on the bottom. Click here, we will see it has returned one account, so it means that it is working. So for our class that we are doing, let's update it with the account. Here it is, the one that we were building here. First name for we have to make sure that we have the list accounts. Yeah. Let's get the accounts here. Okay, yeah, this one is better. Just enter and let's list account. Okay, and accts equal to, and here we are gonna write our query. Okay, select ID name from account where name is equal routing. Okay, we are done. Okay, and then what we have here, there's a new list of contact, and then okay, from trigger dot add new contact, and we are also we have to linking the account here. Let's enter account ID. Okay, and it's in the 0 array dot ID. Okay, here it is, and that's it. Save it, file and save. Okay, that's it. Okay, here we are. Okay, let's go back here and verify. Okay, congratulations. Let's go to the next step. Okay, we have to create a trigger now. So file, now our method is ready, so we have to create a trigger for it. So let's go ahead. In here we can select the file, new apex trigger. Okay, let's name it create contact, just like the here, and select the candidate. Let's go to C. Here it is. See, select this one and click submit. It will create a trigger for us. Here it is. Okay, then we have to write one line of code. Create contact from can dot create contact trigger not new. Okay, here it is. So this is a function that we just created here, create contact from can, and this is the method in the class. So what we are doing is we are creating a class and then refreshing it and trigger dot new. Okay, now let's save it, file and save. That's it. Okay, and that's it. Let's go and test our coding. Open candidates, click new. Okay, let's go click on the 9. Just click it once. Okay, search candidate. Okay, click here. Okay, now we have to create a new record. So let's click on new and go back. You can copy the first name Gina, paste it here. Okay, then go back and let's copy the second name Simmons. Okay, and let's then copy the email and click save. Okay, click save. Now let's see the trigger that we have created, the coding, if it works or not. Okay, if we can come here, let's open contacts, select on contact. Okay, let's go to contact here, click here. Let's okay, on the right you can see list view. You can click here and then click on all contacts. Okay, then refresh and let's search Gina. Okay, let's see if Gina Simmons was created. Let's refresh it. Okay, I think this is not saved right now. The trigger is not working. Let's go back and see what the issue is. Trigger dot new. After insert, we have to make sure it is after insert, before. Okay, now we are good. Click save. What is the problem? Okay, are we using public void? Let us go back and see what the issue is. Public static. Okay, we missed health code public and static. Okay, now you can click save. This is saved. Then let's go to create contact and click on save here. Okay, then let's go back to the trigger and let's go back to candidate. Let's delete this and create a new one and delete. Okay, click new here. So let's go and recreate our record. We had some issues in the code we fixed just now. Simmons. Okay, it's gonna create a new contact for us. Just copy the email. Okay, here it is. Click save. Okay, our trigger is working, our code is working. We can just close this now. Our developer console that we were using before. Okay, it's loading. Don't keep me waiting. Okay, it has been created. Now let's go to contacts here and search for Gina Sim. Click all. Okay, let's search Gina Simmons. Okay, Gina. Let's refresh here. Wait, it didn't work. What happened? And Gina, Gina. Let's go to candidates. Gina Simmons. Okay. What happened? Let's check. Open the trigger. The trigger that we just created. Let's open it. Insert. Let's do one more thing. Let's copy this directly into the code. Okay, let's click on save. Okay, we're done. Let's do the same thing for this. Let's go back a little bit and copy this, and that's it, and go to the code and paste it here and click on save. Okay, we can just close this. Let's go to candidate and click on all, and let's delete this one and create another one. Okay, let's go to back to the trigger exercise. Let's copy and click new here, and Gina. Okay, and then Simmons, and then let's copy the email and click save. Okay, we already have this one. Let's refresh. Let's go to contacts, all, click on all contacts and search for Gina. Okay, here it is. See, it worked, but it was it takes a bit of time. Okay, then let's go and verify our exercise. I mean, our code worked, so we didn't have to replace the code. I did it just in case, but it already worked. We wrote the code, a good code, so it worked. So it just took a bit of time to create the the record. We just had to, okay, we can do it again. You have we can delete this, and then what we can do is we can create another candidate here for our exercise. Just click on new. Okay, email, and then we have to copy the name. Okay, after putting all the information from the exercise, do it again. After deleting the contact, click save. It will take a bit of time. Our code is actually working if it's taking a bit of time. Okay, it worked. So we can go back and verify. Okay, congratulations. Kindly follow and subscribe my channel, and also suggest this channel to your friends, family, and anyone who needs help. And also keep the feedback coming, and like and comment my videos. Thank you. Bye.